Hello everyone. Today I am present here with my new topic, our food. You know, we use our body for a number of activities and movements. We work and play. So our body needs energy and strength. We get energy and strength from the food we eat, and food makes us grow. Our food consists of varieties of food items. So let's come and discuss about great varieties of food items available in different parts of India. मक्के की रोटी, सरसों का साग from Punjab, fish and rice, West Bengal, दाल बाटी चूरमा, Rajasthan, डोसा सांभर, Tamil Nadu. You know, these mouth-watering dishes from different parts of India is endless, and each area has its own speciality, and a visit to that place is incomplete without tasting it. Can anyone visit Kolkata and not eat Rasgulla? Go to Nagpur and not eat Son Papdi? So there are some dishes that are cooked only on special occasions, like on festivals, marriages. And you know, Modak is made during the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi. And no marriage ceremony is complete without laddu and barfi in India. Next is most the food items of the people depend upon two factors. Number one is climate and second one is crops grown in that area. For example, people living in the desert of Rajasthan and Gujarat, they find difficult to get fresh vegetables. So what they will use? They will use great varieties of dals, achars, pickles, and besan, that is gram flour. Okay, and the people living close to the sea coast eat a lot of fish and rice, and Kashmiri people drink khiva to keep the cold away. And you know, the people of Punjab grow a lot of wheat, so their staple diet is chapati. And rice grows well in South India, so the staple diet of South Indian is rice. Next is some food, some plant food items. So in this slide, we are going to discuss about some food which we get from plants. You know, more and more people are giving up non-vegetarian food because vegetarian food is healthier and easy to digest as compared to the non-vegetarian food. And you know, some spices are eaten fresh as well as dried, like ginger and turmeric. And most spices are dried and then used, like pepper, cloves, and red chili. And you know, India is the largest producer of these spices in the world. And some dry fruits like almond, walnut, pista are the first dried and then eaten. Next is non-vegetarian food items. You know, we get milk from animals, but milk products are vegetarian food, and some non-vegetarian food items are fish, chicken, meat, and egg. Next is vegetarian food. You know, wheat, rice, pulses, vegetables, fruits, and spices comes from plant. And some vegetables are cooked and some are eaten raw. That is carrot, radish, beetroot. So these food items are vegetarian food items. So to come and let's discuss about some milk products and some plant products. You know, milk products are vegetarian food, but we get milk from animal. And some milk products are ghee, butter, cheese, and many more. And some plant products are vegetables, fruits, pulses, and many more. Now let's come, and you know, some people waste food. They are greedy or thoughtless, and many children do not finish their tiffins that they bring to school, and they should not waste food. As you know, in our country there are many people in our country who are very poor and cannot afford food. And we must become responsible and never waste food, and always eat balanced diet and remain healthy and happy. So the five principles of foods are: buy only what you need, cook it with love, serve it beautifully, eat a balanced diet, and take only as much as you need. Never waste food, always eat balanced diet. That's all for today's video. Have a nice day, have a wonderful day, and eat healthy and balanced diet.